breakfast potato skins.
The first step is baking the potatoes. So
Okay.
I'm taking these potatoes, and here's a little tip. I've made some salted water, and I'm rolling the potatoes. You can try one too.
Okay.
Because
I
you're
never
in the
would have
salted
done this.
water.
Never would have
It's
done
gonna help them
that.
crisp
crazy.
up.
Rolling in
and
the
then you put them on
salted
the
water?
pan. So you roll them, and I'm putting them on a sheet tray that you see I have a baking rack on because that's gonna help the air circulate
all the way
around it. So they're gonna cook, they're gonna bake really well and really evenly. Once they're baked, I take them out of the oven when they're soft, like this, regular baked potato.
Okay.
And here's where the
How
fun
long do you
starts.
bake it for?
You know, it depends. It can take about 45 minutes or so.
They're super huge.
You go do something else.
Yes, you can make them ahead.
That's right.
Okay.
And then you just cut them in half. And
Yeah.
here you go, Nate.
Thank
I feel
you.
like you're going to get into this.
Yeah.
With a melon baller or a small spoon. These are soft. You want to wait till they're cooled, and you can handle them, of course. You're just going to scoop out. Just scoop out the inner flesh. Do not throw it away because mashed potatoes are life.
Oh, yum.
You will have dinner as well
they're
when you
life. Yes.
when
Okay.
you take this out. You're going to scoop them out and just sort of like make them even. Don't
And you
scoop
leave a little
everything.
edge,
exactly.
right?
You leave a little
Okay.
edge. They just get scooped out. You can
Okay.
try that.
Fun.
And they're going to go back on the tray in half. And I'm going to just quickly brush them
Okay.
back and front with oil. This is also going to help with the crisping. So you oil, salt, and pepper. They go back in the oven.
Okay.
They get
come out
super
crispy.
crispy. They look like this.
Okay.
And then you can just easily take a little bit of cheese.
I'm gonna say
put
that.
some cheddar cheese, any cheese that they love. On the bottom of this little cup.
This is
in the
something
I'm
I
going to
would order
season
in
it
2
really
seconds.
quickly. A little bit of
Order.
salt on top.
Order.
And then those go back in the oven. Thank you,
Yeah.
Rachel.
Totally.
Greta, hand me the muffin, will ya? I'll take the done ones out for Gail.
what?
That's
Okay.
it.
Thank you, honey.
Thank
Damn
you.
it. Total
Meanwhile,
panic.
we're going to make a really quick salsa.
Okay.
And you can obviously
wanna do
cater this
Oh,
to
come
your
on.
flavor.
That's the way they look when they come out.
Look at that, right?
You and I would be all over that.
Now, what you can actually do as an extra,
Incredible.
you know, if you're feeling extra, is put a little more cheese on top and then put them back
And
in
broil
the
them?
oven for
Yep.
2 minutes. Broil them.
Delicious.
So there's some
Whoa.
cheese, but it
Anything
doesn't
with
need
cheese
it.
on top.
Yes.
Gail, can you really make these ahead? And if so, hot?
Absolutely. You can make them to this point.
Okay.
And then you can put them in the fridge. You can reheat them really gently, but you don't want the egg to overcook too much.
Okay.
So I would make them, they can sit out for a bit on your counter for an hour. They'll be fine.
You can make
Or
the
just-
potato skins
Oh, the
ahead.
potatoes
for sure.
can be
Okay.
done 2 days in advance.
Okay.
Right.
And then this is the simplest salsa. I'm putting jalapeno because we're adults here, but if you want to eliminate it, garlic, chopped
Yeah.
onions, cilantro, tomato. This, you know, the most simple chopped little
It's like a
salsa.
pico with avocado.
That's
Yeah.
exactly right.
Okay.
There you go.
Yes.
There you go. You got it. You got it.
Oh yeah, no, we're good.
Too late.